In front of me is a OPPO A40, and today I will show you how you can import contacts from your SIM card to the device. So to get started, you will want to open up your standalone contacts application like this one right over here. Next, we're gonna navigate to Organize. Here you wanna select Fix and Manage, I believe. Oh, never mind. Oh, there we go. You want to select Manage SIM. And this will automatically show you all the contacts that are located on the SIM card. As you can see, by default, the device is trying to import contacts to the Google account, which is signed in right here. And there's a drop-down menu, and also two contacts are grayed out, because some of these contacts already exist on this account. But if I were to tap right here and change it to, for instance, the device, you can see that now the two other contacts become also checked, and I can import all of them. Additionally, you can also deselect contacts that you don't want. From there, click on Import. It asks you the stupidest question if you want to keep or delete the contacts that are located on your SIM card. There is absolutely zero reason for you to delete those contacts, as they never get in your way. So like I said, it's a stupid option. So I'm going to select Keep. Anyway, once we navigate back to Contacts, depending on where you have imported your contacts to, you might need to switch the display location. So you can do so by clicking right here and selecting, okay, never mind, this is the already changed version. So we're going to click right here where it says All Contacts, and we can choose to display contacts from the device, either a SIM card or Google account. And because I imported contacts to the device, here they are. One more thing, there might be two options. Either you have your contacts, you can check them in here in this drop-down menu, or like I tried before, you can actually have them here. So sometimes, depending on a version of contacts, you might have the, for instance, device show up somewhere here, and SIM card, and you can check it from here instead of here. I'm still not sure, like, I haven't really checked the versions of it and which ones are affected by it, but just know that it might be in two different locations. Anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.